Hello everyone, this is number 4 in my fruit series. I have used the same mold that I've used in all of the other ones. It's the round mold in the multi-mold from Happy Dotting Company on Etsy. Make sure you visit Etsy and check out their store. It's amazing. Angela, you're amazing. And they have lots of stuff to choose from, not just molds. So I've done a couple of coats of white already. I've let it dry and I've got some gloves on because I'm in the middle of doing my nails and I am not going to wreck them with paint. No. So what I'm using right now is some magenta and a little finger sponge, and I'm going around the outside with my magenta, just around the outside. Okay, because we are doing a dragon fruit, a slice off the old dragon fruit. I love dragon fruit, but I don't like the seeds. So whenever I have like a smoothie and it has dragon fruit in it, I'm like, I want to spit the seeds. I'm not a seed person. I'm saying I love raspberry, but I don't like the seeds. How do you feel about seeds? Please let me know. But yeah, we're going to try and do a cute little dragon fruit slice today. You choose what color you feel is closer to dragon fruit color. This was the closest thing I had on my shelf without mixing a bunch of stuff together. So I'm just going to use magenta. Yeah. But you decide what color you want yours to be. And then I'm only going to be using black and white after the magenta. So it's going to be simple, 3-colored fruit today. But we're going to be mixing some black and white together as well. And I have added a little bit of glitter to each one of my fruits. So this one will have a little bit of glitter as well. And I'm not going to say sorry for that. If you saw my last tutorial that I just posted recently, there was some out of focus areas. So I'm hoping that this time there will not be that problem, as well as no notifications going off or cats yelling or children or anything. I hope this goes smoothly, but if not, I hope you still learn something or have fun or you have something to laugh about. You know what I mean? Anyway, this one is going to be a dragon fruit. So the center is going to be left white, but look what happened. Looks like I put some pepper on it. I actually, when I thought that I wasn't going to mess up, I messed up. And I edited out something that I wasn't supposed to. So what I've done here is using a dotting tool. I made like little sesame seed type situations using gray. So I mixed a little bit of black into white. So these ones look like the seeds are a little deeper within the fruit. So they're a little gray, okay? They're not quite black. We're going to do layers of seeds. So if you want to go lighter than this, that's perfectly fine, but you're going to see the contrast very soon once I speckle it with seeds in a different color of gray. Seriously, like nothing is perfect, guys. I mess up all the time. I accidentally edit things out and I end up having to like throw away my whole tutorial because it messed up everything and I didn't have time to redo the tutorial. So I've added just a little bit more black. You can see it's still gray. So these ones are a little closer to the surface of the slice. And I'm literally just doing like little, I drag it off to the side. I put my dotting tool down with the paint and then I just drag it up or drag it down to make like a little sesame seed type of mark there. And not all of them are the same size. Some of them are bigger. Some of them are just partial seeds because they're pointed downwards. They're not pointed sideways. So you don't see the full seed. Just use your imagination and put them in all different directions. And then after I will be adding black. So those are the ones that are like right on the very surface where we took the slice, okay? But I'm not going to do those until after we glitter. I'm going to glitter. I love glitter. Have I told you lately that I love you? Glitter. I wish I could write a song about glitter, actually. I think Mariah Carey beat me to it. Did she name a song Glitter, or was it just an album? I don't know. Anyway, I should look into that. Now here's the glitter. It is like a white chrome powder or shell powder, whatever you want to call it. I get this on Amazon. I will put the link in the description of this video. It comes in different colors. It lasts a long, long, long time. And I'm just brushing it on top. Make sure your gray seeds are dry. Don't brush it on until after your seeds are dry. And you can see the glitter. I'm going to try and brush it all around, get all the excess stuff off. This glitter's so fine that it kind of sticks to the paint. But I'm going to keep it in place. I'm going to use a sponge, and I'm going to use some triple thick. It's like a glaze. It's like a glue almost. You can use clear glue. You can use Mod Podge. I'm going to use triple thick and a sponge, and I'm just going to sponge on over top of all those seeds where the white area is. First I'm brushing it on, but then I'm going to use a sponge to even it out so that everything is covered in the triple thick. And what this does, I literally just use it like a glitter glue. It's to hold the glue in place so it doesn't travel anywhere else. I don't really want the outside pink area, the magenta area. I don't really want that covered in glitter like I want the white. I want the white to shine, okay? You will be able to see it shine much, much easier once I resin it, which you will see at the end of the video. But you can see, like, I had to dust off my paper. There was so much glitter everywhere. I love glitter. So now that my triple thick is dry, my gray paint is protected with glitter underneath the triple thick. Now I'm going in over top of that, because I didn't want my black seeds, my very top of the surface seeds, I didn't want them covered in glitter. I just wanted the gray ones covered in glitter with the white. So now I'm going over top, now that everything's dry, and I'm going to do a bunch of black seeds. You're going to watch that all come together. And if you kind of squint a little, you can actually pretend that this is a dragon fruit. And that's what's fun. You can add glitter to it still, and it'll still resemble a dragon fruit. It's just been fancied up a little. It's been fancied. I love making these fruit slices with you guys, though. I've seen them on Facebook. I've seen some pictures on some different social media sites, and you guys are just having an awesome time with the fruit slices, and they seem less intimidating than some of the other stuff that I've done, which is like a breath of fresh air, because I want everybody to be able to paint with me, not just people who've been following me along for the last 3 years. I want everyone to. Kids, adults, grandparents, even your pets. No, I'm kidding. I'm kidding. But a toddler could probably do this, honestly. But it's a lot of fun, and I love seeing your rendition of these fruit slices as well. I think they're beautiful. They're absolutely gorgeous, and it's just fun. Just have fun with it. I'm making sure to put my seeds in all different directions, and you can kind of imagine like there are layers of seeds there now that you can see the different shades of gray or black. So yeah, I'm not going to do too many. Just be random with it. Take a picture. Take a look at pictures of dragon fruit slices on Google. Look under images and take a look at what they look like, or go get one and slice it open and go with that. I'm going to be resining it, so it's going to look really, really nice pretty soon. I'm going to enjoy doing that. We're going to watch the paint dry while I decide whether or not I think there should be any more black seeds. I'm going to add a couple, just a couple. And they just look like little sesame seeds. And some of them are pointed to the left, and some of them are to the right, and some of them are pointed downwards, and you only see the top. So just be random with it. No one's going to be like, oh, what is that? They're going to know it's dragon fruit. Especially if you put it up next to your raspberry and your orange and your kiwi. They're going to know. So everything is dry. I'm going to do another layer of magenta around the outside, just so it's a nice dark layer. There is a little bit of green on dragon fruit, so if you want to add like a little bit of green with a sponge in some areas along the magenta area, that's up to you. I'm just doing mine magenta. I'm just going to leave it that way. The whole back will be magenta as well. But if you want to get creative and more realistic with it, by all means, if you have it in you, go for it. That's what makes it fun. So I'm pretty happy with it. I think I have enough seeds. I am going to resin it, and then we will see it how it looks under the resin. See how the glitter is. There's the back. And so we're going to come back in just a moment. I love this part. It's my favorite. Drum roll. Are you prepared? Have your eyes been prepared for the beauty? Look at that glitter. I absolutely love this one. This to me does look like a nice slice of dragon fruit, but it glitters like Rachel's Rocks glitter. I absolutely love this one. I just want to know what you guys think. Let me know in the comments what you think of number 4 in the series. And I hope you're excited for number 5 because that'll be coming up in 2 days. Set your clocks, 8 o'clock in the morning, Eastern Standard Time. I will see you again soon. Keep painting.